Hey, so I tried to FaceTime you, but you're probably busy, you're working. So anyway, I'll just send you a video quick. This valve right here, it's kind of a pain in the ass to take on and off, but I was just testing it, checking it over. It's for hot air warm up. It works kind of like how the choke works with a spring. As it heats up, it opens. Anyway, this thing is cracked where the shaft is. You can see it. Note that it's not square on either side because the shaft is bent. You can actually see the stress lines in it there. Let me put my finger on it. Okay, you can see by my, see the stress going through the casting? All that. So I'm gonna try to find us another one. But if not, I might just knock this one out and gut it and use it as a spacer. Because we really don't need it because you have an electric choke on the carb because you run the Holly. So let me try to find this one quick, but not the end of the world. I'm sure I can just buy a spacer of that thickness for this size as well. So we gotta figure it out. It's not a biggie, but just wanted to let you know. All right, so got our dipstick tube all done and in and properly mounted. Got our AC compressor bracket cleaned, prepped, painted, and mounted. Got our little control valve for our air injection. Clean, prepped, painted, and mounted. Went through and painted up a bunch of other small parts. There's actually a pile of stuff outside drying too. But brackets and such. Getting the last little bit of it ready. I also took this exhaust thermostat that was all jacked up and cracked and nasty, and I cleaned it up, I straightened it, I prepped it, I actually welded up the cracks and then ground it flat again. So here's to that fitting and operating properly. Boom, another piece of the puzzle.